Finding video ideas is easy. Finding ideas that can actually outperform your channel average is much harder. That's where today's 1 of 10 review comes in. It's a service that claims to help you spot breakout videos, use AI to generate ideas, track your competitors, trends, and more. But can 1 of 10 really help creators make better content creation decisions? Or does it simply package public YouTube data into a cleaner dashboard? Let's find out. Starting with what 1 of 10 actually does for creators. The service is built around identifying outlier videos, meaning uploads that perform far better than the creator's normal content. If a channel generally gets around 10,000 views, then a video that hits 100,000 likely has a more intriguing topic. By comparison, another channel may have a video that reached 1 million views, but if its average is usually much higher, that topic may not actually be worth recreating. This distinction really matters because raw views alone do not tell you whether a topic genuinely wowed the creator's usual audience enough to stand out. 1 of 10 is designed to analyze these metrics for you and provide an easy to follow guide for similar content creation. If you decide to add 1 of 10 to your YouTube toolbox, then be sure to use my discount below to save money at checkout. With this platform, you'll better understand how to grow on YouTube, as it provides you with multiple ways to turn research into action. Its tools help you find breakout videos in a specific niche, as well as track competitors and recurring formats, making it simple to stay in the know without doing all the research yourself. 1 of 10 then generates related YouTube video ideas, titles, and thumbnails that you can use as inspiration for your next video concept. To top it off, the platform saves useful examples into folders and shared research boards, making it easy to plan multiple videos at once. While 1 of 10 isn't a full-blown future predictor, it helps creators like yourself make more informed bets on what content has already been unusually successful and could be worth recreating. The strongest way this platform shows you how to get more views on YouTube is with its Outlier tool. Rather than scrolling through all the content on YouTube yourself, Outlier filters through videos for you and organizes them by category. You can see which ones are performing well relative to the channel's size, as well as relevant niches, topics, formats, and competitors. Outlier even sorts through which uploads are recent breakouts, so you don't have to weed through outdated viral trends. Without a tool like this, content creators often judge ideas by raw views, personal taste, or whatever shows up on their homepage. This, however, creates a bias toward larger channels. So Outlier is a great way to get more useful research results. What's more, 1 of 10 makes smaller breakout examples easier to spot by revealing things like topics with proven audience demand, so you can hop on the bandwagon, and formats that are moving between niches. It also shows videos that manage to reach far beyond the creator subscriber base, which could signal a hot topic worth recreating, plus competitors whose recent uploads are currently gaining momentum. For example, if you're searching for best YouTube content creator equipment in 2026, you can use Outlier to narrow the results down to recent uploads from smaller channels. Then you're free to look through which videos are performing 10 to 100 times above the channel average. Compared to individually looking through videos on YouTube, this tactic is definitely more efficient. To access this tool and all the others that I'm about to cover, be sure to get the lowest price possible with our exclusive link in the description. While Outlier is a core function in this 1 of 10 review, there are other useful competitor and trend-related tools that help confirm whether the same pattern is repeating across several channels. With these, you can look for recurring topics, title structures, thumbnail changes, and formats. This is a really effective way to understand why each specific format creates curiosity and then adapt it to your own audience. For example, you can search for titles such as "I tested a smartwatch for 30 days" or "The truth about smart glasses." Remember, replacing one keyword in a viral title doesn't automatically make it an original strategy. So you'll want a tool like this that can help you find the best strategies for you. Once you've decided on your next video idea with the Outlier tool, there are a few other functions that can really accelerate the next steps of your workflow. Just keep in mind that these AI tools are exclusive to the highest plan. With these, 1 of 10 not only generates related video ideas, but also alternative angles to help you choose the best fitting perspective for your audience, along with multiple title choices. What's more, the 1 of 10 thumbnail generator creates a variety of concepts, lets you pick which one aligns with your theme, and even offers AI image edits. Rather than manually asking a blank AI prompt for topics, such as 10 viral ideas, these features offer a huge jumpstart to the creation process because you're working with relevant suggestions stemming from real YouTube research. Though as with any creative project, The final quality still depends on adding your personal input and fine-tuning the details. Most AI tools can indeed reduce blank page time and quickly generate plenty of ideas based on your questions and commands. But at their core, they still may produce generic ideas, exaggerated titles, derivative concepts, or generic-looking thumbnails. To produce the most natural outcome, it's best to combine AI brainstorming with your own creativity and rework any areas that sound AI generated, rather than simply pressing generate and publishing whatever appears first. So what will your 1 of 10 workflow look like? First, use the Outlier tool to find a recent video related to your own channel. Next, investigate why the topic or format may have been a hit and adapt the viewer's core reason for hitting watch, rather than blatantly copying it. When that's done, you can generate several title and thumbnail directions and save the references and chosen concepts in a production folder. The last step is to publish the final product and evaluate audience behavior, such as retention, click-through rate, and watch time inside YouTube Studio. After testing out the organization tools for myself, I can say that they're really suitable for creators who regularly conduct research. However, if you're a casual creator who posts infrequently, then you may not get much value from features like folders and shared playlists. Before you decide if 1 of 10 suits your needs, there are some limitations worth noting. For example, the Outlier data can show you videos that went viral, but it can't explain specifically why. So you need to examine factors like timing, audience fit, execution, retention, and external content. And while the remake tools for creating similar titles and thumbnails make research faster, they may encourage imitation of existing videos. Plus, this platform doesn't offer any built-in YouTube SEO tools. Pricing-wise, there are a few choices available. The free plan is limited but lets you test out the Outlier concept. The next research-focused plan, on the other hand, makes the most sense if you're a creator who regularly tracks competitors and plans content based on performance data. The highest tier is ideal if you're looking to frequently use all the AI generator tools. And if you follow the link I left in the description, you can test and compare the 1 of 10 tools for yourself before picking the plan that works best for you. The final verdict? Used properly, 1 of 10 can help creators make faster and better informed content decisions. Used lazily, however, and it can simply help you copy successful videos more efficiently. This tool provides useful evidence, but it's up to the creator to turn that evidence into something original and worth watching. Thanks for hanging out today, and I'll see you in the next one.